Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. I hope you are doing great. So far in this web development series, we learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now it's time to move into something very powerful and very important, that is the React. So React is used in the real project, real companies, real job, but don't worry, in this video we'll start from absolute zero. Even if you feel React is scary, feel frameworks are confusing, or you are completely new, this video is for you. So relax, grab some coffee. Now let's start. So before we build anything fancy, it is important to understand the basics. Because if your foundation is strong, React will feel easy, not confusing. React is one of the most popular front-end library today. Companies like Facebook, Netflix, Instagram, Airbnb all use React in the current time. So learning React is not an optional anymore. It is a must for the front-end developer. Now the most important question is, what is React? What exactly is React? React is a JavaScript library for building the user interface, not a language, not a framework, just library. These three terms are different: library, framework, and language. These all three are different. So React is a JavaScript library. React is mainly used to build the user interface and what users see, click, type, interact with an on a website. React was created by Facebook called the Meta now, and the main goal of React is the fast UI, interactive UI, reusable UI parts. So React focuses only on the view layer. That means React cares about how things look and update on the screen. Now, why was React created? So let's understand why React even exists in this world. So before React, we use vanilla JavaScript to update the UI, as we already built some project like to-do app or calculator, and we see how we build the vanilla JavaScript in the project. So as website become bigger, more buttons come, more data come, more interaction. So JavaScript code becomes hard to manage. Updating the DOM manually was slow and messy and error prone also. So developer need better performance, cleaner code and easier maintenance. So that's why React introduced with a component based architecture, virtual DOM for the faster update. So this solved many problems of traditional DOM manipulation. And don't worry if you feel what is virtual DOM or what is component based. I will tell you in the upcoming videos about this in a deep thing. Now, what is a single page application, a SPA? So SPA means single page application. That means only one HTML page is loaded and page does not reload again and again. And when you click something, content update, page stay the same. So this gives the faster experience, smooth feel. So data is usually fetched using the API, AJAX or by fetch APIs. So example, you already use the Gmail, Facebook, Twitter. These all are the SPA. Like when you click inbox, all email, spam buttons in this left side of the email, but the content change here on the main page and not the whole page reload. When you click inbox, the inbox come. When you click all emails come. The new bar or header or nothing change here. So these all are SPA, means Gmail, Facebook, Twitter. Now role of React in SPA. So where does React fit in the SPA? React handle the UI rendering, UI update, UI structure. React update only the required part of the page, not the whole page. This make a fast, scalable and well organized. That's why React is perfect for the SPA. And by using the virtual DOM, it gives the better performance. And React versus vanilla JavaScript means we already built the project by using the vanilla JavaScript. Then why we use the React? So vanilla JavaScript, you have to manually change the DOM. Code becomes hard to manage in this, and reuse is difficult. And in React, component based architecture means everything is divided into the small component into small pieces of code, and code is clean and structure in this component can be reused like function, and performance is better using the virtual DOM. So React make life easier when project grows. So let me show you quickly a small example. So this is not React yet, just to understand the problem. This is a basically normal HTML file, HTML boilerplate, and inside this I have a button, click button, and a paragraph. On this button, I have one on click a script and a change text function. Means when I click on this function, this change text function call, and it select the document.get element by id, this paragraph, and change the inner text here. So here we manually select the element, change its text. Imagine doing this for 100 buttons, 100 inputs, 100 API response. That's where React help. We will see how React make this easier in upcoming videos. Now React ecosystem. React is not alone. It has a big ecosystem. Some important parts are React Core, that includes component and hooks. React Router for page navigation, means like in normal website you see a home page, about page, contact page, experience page, project page. When you click any button, you move to the move to that page. So for that we need React Router for the page navigation. State management for the data by using the context API or Redux. Build tools are White and Webpack. UI libraries are Material UI and Tailwind. Means we can don't rely on the we are not rely on the basic CSS. We move to the Tailwind CSS and get the icons by using the Material UI or the and icons. And testing tools are the Jest and React testing libraries. So don't worry, we will learn this step by step. Now where is React used? React is used in a single page application, dashboard, e-commerce website, social media platforms, admin panels. So basically wherever UI is complex, the React is used. And advantages of React, why developer loves React, because reusable component, fast performance, strong community, easy to learn. If JavaScript basics is clear, React is easy to learn. So and it has huge ecosystem. Once React clicks, development becomes fun. So let's quickly recap. React is a JavaScript UI library. It solves the DOM problem, and it is perfect for the SP single page application. It has a strong ecosystem. This was just the starting point. In the next video, we will set up the React environment, understand how React works, write our React code. All PPT and code links are available in the description. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to JDCodebase. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.